Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. BLAVOR is committed to wireless and solar charging solutions. Our products cover from wireless charging pad and stand to wireless power bank to a wireless solar charger. And all our solar-powered products are made with the highest standards in the realm of the solar charging business. BLAVOR believes quality speaks louder than anything. Our vision is to offer our customers an energy-efficient life in order. Warm Tips 1. Please kindly know that solar charging is an additional feature. The actual result may not be as positive as you expect for the small panel size and uncontrollable sunlight intensity. Warm Tips 2. Don't place the bank in conditions unsuitable for human beings like flat rocks, cement floor, and car dashboard under strong sunlight without cooling air. Warm Tips 3. Please make sure the power bank is fully charged by USB cable before your trips, as the solar charging is for emergency use only. BLAVOR, created in 2013, is exclusively committed to portable wireless and solar charging solutions. With over 8 continuous years of experience in the portable power fields, BLAVOR has already gained the favor of many customers from all over the world. Our team always bears in mind that quality makes the future in the internet age. Your support and feedback mean a lot to us. We might not be perfect, but we are always ready to make improvements. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Qisa Solar Charger 38,800 mAh Solar Power Bank. Solar charger, as long as there is enough sunlight, 4 high-conversion solar charging panels can be continuously charged. Its solar power is 12 W and the input current is 1.5 A under ideal conditions. The conversion rate of solar charging can reach 116% of the charging speed of the 5V1A charging plug, which can be described as a must-have for outdoor. Solar Power Bank 38,800 mAh large battery. Let you get rid of the anxiety of battery power anytime and anywhere. The Solar Power Bank has a wireless charging function, 2 USB output ports, can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. Note: only Qi-enabled devices are compatible with wireless charging. The power bank is waterproof, drop-proof, and dust-proof, and can still work normally in extreme environments. The Solar Power Bank has a built-in smart chip that can automatically identify and be compatible with different devices, convert fluctuating voltage into stable voltage, stabilize the device, and ensure safe use. Its solar power is 15 W and the input current is 1.5 A. The conversion rate via solar charging can reach 116% of the charging speed of a 1A plug, which can be an outdoor necessity. Solar panels are waterproof, no need to worry about damage when outdoors. The power bank as a whole is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant, and is very strong, still works normally in extreme environments. Large capacity of 38,800 mAh. No need to worry about the power of mobile devices. With a wireless charging function, you can charge without even carrying cables. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Feeke Solar Power Bank 32,800 mAh. Equipped with Qi wireless charging technology, the portable solar power bank is well compatible with all Qi-enabled devices. Built in 2 micro USB and a Type-C 3 outputs, it allows you to charge 4 devices at the same time. Note: only Qi-enabled devices are compatible with the wireless charging function. 32,800 mAh large capacity power bank with solar panel can charge multiple devices simultaneously. It's perfect for carrying around, allowing you to keep mobile devices fully charged anytime and anywhere. The built-in strong LED flashlight is powerful, that provides long run times. Have 3 working modes. Double-click the power button to switch strong light/flash/SOS to help you send emergency signaling. With dual input ports, high-speed Type-C and micro USB, the power bank can charge devices through 2 input ports. It delivers the highest possible charging speed that is almost twice as fast as using the ordinary power bank with a single input port. The solar panel can absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. With a rugged design, it features excellent dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof properties. Made of durable ABS material, has a certified IP66 rating, suitable for various harsh environments. Equipped with slings and carabiners, ideal for camping, hiking, travel, and other emergency situations. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. BLAVOR Solar Charger 5 Panels Detachable. BLAVOR brand new design with higher solar energy conversion. When 5 premium solar panels are magnetically attached, it works as a solar panel charger with a max 1300 mAh charging current. When it is detached, a ceiling bar helps it work as an individual portable power bank with a dual output. The wireless power bank can wirelessly charge all cell phones that support Qi wireless charging technology. Cable-free and tangle-free. Compatible with iPhone XR/XR MAX/XS/X/8/8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S9/S9 Plus, S8/S8 Plus, S7/S7 Edge, etc. Press the power button for 3 seconds, work as a torch, press the button again, flash as an outdoor signal light. Press the button again, quick flashing strobe light comes after signal light. Premium lithium polymer battery, high capacity and long lifespan. 2.1A USB port, 1.0A USB port, and Qi wireless output allow you to charge 3 devices simultaneously with max 2.1A high-speed charging. Only USB 1 supports 2.1A high-speed charging. Auto-detect your device's current to pair the optimal output. Note: Type-C is an input port and does not support output. 120,000 mAh solar charger, 1* Type-C cable, 1* warranty card, 1* user manual 12-month warranty. For outdoor activities like camping, cycling, fishing, traveling, hiking, and beaches. BLAVOR, created in 2013, is exclusively committed to portable wireless and solar charging solutions. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. OIMYE Qi Wireless Solar Charger Power Bank 36,000 mAh. 36,000 mAh high-capacity li-polymer battery with solar panel. Built-in overcharging, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating protection to guarantee that you can use it to charge your devices without any safety worries. And has a dual USB output port, 1 Type-C and micro output port, and is a wireless charger if your device is Qi enabled. An ideal choice of battery backup for usage, especially for outdoor enthusiasts. Quickly portable solar power bank with outputs 5V/3A high speed and dual inputs for smartphones. The highest charging speed is almost 2.5 times that of the ordinary mobile power supply. The power bank can automatically adjust the output to provide the appropriate current to provide the fastest charging speed. The solar panel has rubber throughout the structure to provide protection similar to the case. There are 3 lighting modes, bright light/SOS/strobe, that are the best choice for outside activities such as camping, hiking, or traveling. Note: double-click the button to turn on the flashing light switch. The battery backup charger itself comes with a lanyard and carabiner, so you can wear it or clip it onto your bag. USB interface charger is covered to make it a little bit more durable, and IPX6 water resistant, allowing the capability not to be afraid of it taking some bumps and rain. This portable charger has passed professional certification. Sincerely hope that such a shopping experience can give you a happy memory. If you receive the defective item or have any other problems, please contact us. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.